Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the U icon at the bottom right of your screen on YouTube. Once you're inside your YouTube, you can see the little setting icon at the top right of your screen. Click on it. Once you're inside setting, you want to click on this option called the Manage All History. And from inside Manage All History, you want to go on this Interactions tab. From Interactions, you're going to see the first option, Video Like and Dislike. Click on it. Now if you want to remove your like history, what you need to do is simply over here it says today. If I click on cross right beside today and click on delete, my entire like history for today will be deleted. And you need to click on got it. And just like this, you need to keep on clicking on this cross and your YouTube like history for one day will be deleted. And if you keep on doing it just like this, all of your YouTube likes will be deleted. So you need to do it individually for each day. Instead of going on each video, I think this is way easier. So that's how you guys can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time.